Oh my God!
Welcome back to Hardware Hangout. Today, my wife blessed me after a long day's work with 2 orders of 2 wine racks.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
My wife wants to learn how to make them. But again, as you saw in the last video, hasn't quite used the tools. So before she comes down, I'm going to make both of them and then bring her down and have a tutorial and see if anything from the last video stuck. If it didn't, at least the product is already made. So let's get to building and then bring her on down. Alright, so now that we have all of our pieces cut, we can start making our notches so that when we intersect them, they lock in and make a hashtag, pound sign, whatever generation it is, tic-tac-toe board, but something to make an X, so when we stick the wine bottles in, it is something to stand on, and then after we get those all cut out, we can cut off the wings, glue, brad nail, and assemble. And we call the wife down. Now that we have our lines traced out with the exact measurements of where our cuts are going to be, we have our 4 pieces taped up so all the cuts are mostly the same. We'll switch over to the bandsaw, cut them out, chisel out any excess that might need to be chiseled out. Let's get to it. So now that we have cut out the slats on the bandsaw, we're going to just chisel out at the bottom to pop all these big bits out, undo the tape, test fit them, and we're almost there. It's time to pop off this tape and test them out. All right. 1, 2, 3. Voila. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Easy peasy. Now, we have to cut off this small piece right here for each side. That way it adds an extra 2 slots on the side for extra wine bottles. We're just about done. we have our 4 wings, 2 for each. Assemble them on the side edge, just like so. And they will support an extra bottle of wine or 2, or actually a handle of Jack. Careful for the squeeze out. Now we have them all assembled. It's time to get the glue squeeze out. So there you have it. 2 simple wine racks, 1 fence picket each. You cut it down, little glue brad nails, and you have yourself a rustic looking 8-bottle wine rack. You can fit a handle of Jack in each slot. Alright, so now that we finished our 2, it's time to go get my wife. She wants to learn how to do it. She wants to build it. Hopefully she remembers what we talked about last time. If not, I have these just in case. Let's go get her. Okay, as promised, my wife has come down and she is wanting to learn how to build some wine racks today.
Am I though?
Taught her last time.
Today.
Yep, today. My mom's birthday is very soon.
You're funny.
Come back here. So for this, we only need 1 fence picket, and we use 1 saw.
Camera, is that facing me or facing you? Is that the front or the back?
It's the front.
Oh, there's just a screen. I don't know. Oh, there. That's the back. Boop.
So there's 1 fence picket.
Yep.
15-inch cuts. You need 4 of them.
4-inch.
15 inches. So grab your board.
This is too much.
There's a tape.
I'm not using that.
No, we don't need to use the table saw.
I'm not using that.
Just the miter or chop.
Okay.
Slide
So I
her
have to
over.
measure 15 inches.
15 inches.
Do I just do like a dot?
Here's your pencil.
I want one of the fun ones. This one's broken. It's not gonna do me any good.
Sharpen your pencil.
I'm not gonna sharpen it. I have my finger on the 15.
Stick it in there.
So she said.
Gentle.
That's what she said.
That's
And
not
twist.
what she said. She never says gentle.
Hey!
Hi, YY. Come on down. This is not working. It's taking a long time. Look at that tip. Okay, where's the 15? Where's the 1 and the 5? Is that a 1 and a 5?
Yeah.
That's 11. Is that a 1, 2?
Yeah.
What's that one?
1, 3.
13?
Yeah.
14?
Yeah.
15.
And
Can you draw a line? Draw a line on the 15?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good job. Wait, right here. Good job. Okay. We gotta do it again.
Nope,
Okay,
that's-
what's 15?
That's good.
Well, you said 4 to 4.
Yeah, you do it 1 at a time. You
Right.
never want to cut it because the width of the blade will offset the cut. So
It's
1 time.
crazy. Are you wanna go night-night?
Yeah.
Yeah, should we tuck you in?
Yeah.
Okay. Night-night, hardware hangout.
Bye.
Bye.
Kid in bed. Back to it. Hop on your saw.
Oh, there's a mouse, though.
There's no mouse.
We gotta do something about the mouse.
What mouse?
The mouse. Hello, dude. See, he's just in there all alone. Summers wants to eat him. Cat wants to eat it. But
Okay. Wine rack. Mom's birthday. Let's go. Hop, hop, hop. Chop, chop. It's
It's just
6
so
cuts.
loud.
6 cuts, and then the bandsaw.
I'm not doing that.
Yes, you are. No, not this.
I'm not doing that
Yeah,
thing.
just that one.
You didn't even teach me about that one.
Well, you will next time. I mean, this time.
I feel like you're rushing
Okay.
You're rushing.
Yeah, one thing at a time.
my progression.
So
Here.
now grab your square.
Oh, you know,
Grab your square.
my what?
Your square.
You say it. If you say what it really is, I
Grab your
will.
triangle.
Where is it? I don't know where these things are. It's buried inside us over here. I want him to have triangle.
No, you won't. We are. But this has to be butt up. Butt up.
Where is our 15 inches? Right there.
I know you're left-handed. Okay, so let's
Yeah.
flip it this way.
Okay. See, need a
Yep,
left-handed
Yep,
teacher.
all the way across. Crossed. Perfect. Now pull your square. Line up your cut.
How?
So your line.
But you don't know.
You do. So you pull the saw down. And is that going to cut on the line?
No.
You
Oh,
don't
I
want to cut
like
on the
I
line.
don't like it. What do you mean you don't want to cut on the
wanna cut
line?
To the right of the line. So that's on the line.
Right of the line?
Yeah, so slide it
Right
to
of
your
the
left.
line.
Perfect, right there.
Okay.
So then you make sure it's flush all the way across the back. And you pull it down. You have to turn it up. You do this. Put your ear pro in.
It just feels so weird. It feels like little bugs.
Okay.
I'm gonna run. I will
No,
like
you do this.
I don't
Put your left hand here and your right hand here.
I feel like my left hand needs to be on that.
No.
But you're telling me that it can't be.
It
It's
can't
like the
be.
whole golf thing.
What's the golf thing?
The golf thing is when you're trying to teach me how to play golf and telling me how I was holding it was totally wrong, but you failed to remember that I'm left-handed.
We now go back to its regularly scheduled program.
All right, so left hand right here, dominant hand right here.
You can do this part. I
No.
drew the line.
Then you have to do that part.
It's just loud. I don't think I'm gonna like it.
Try it. Just one time. You have to try things once.
You gotta get the mouse.
One pull.
It's loud. Our dogs. Oh my god! Danger! Danger! See? This is why. Okay. Do we have to do this today? Hi, Moses. See, what if she jumps on me when we're doing the power tools? And then she just wants some love.
So you're not going to do it?
Well, if you really want me to, you can saw the pieces. I'd feel better if my left hand. Why can I?
So you're not going to do it?
Well, can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
Well, I'm talking really loud. I don't like these things. Why can't I do it on this side?
If you don't want to hold it.
Oh, and then I can drop it and run, right?
Not run.
I can't just like drop it and
No.
just...
But you can do
No.
this. So now this isn't going anywhere. It's secured. So now our blade is lined up. It's ready to cut. It's flush. This is secured.
I just don't like the noise that it makes.
Here, use these. So you're not going to.
Well, yeah, not tonight. Maybe tomorrow.
So you're not?
Well,
Not tonight?
maybe tomorrow.
When's your mom's birthday?
Not tomorrow.
Well, luckily for you.
Luckily for me, what? Oh! So sweet to Mommy!
I pre-made these knowing
It's like Christmas! You're so sweet
knowing
to
that you
me.
wouldn't touch a single saw.
Well, I tried.
So we have our 2 wine racks pre-made, ready to go.
You know me or
Yeah.
something. Thank you so much.
And you don't have to use any saws.
Oh, I love you.
Love you
You
too.
made my day. Can we go to bed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you. You did so good. When did you make those?
Mm-hmm.
Sneaking around at night or
Mhm.
something? Oh, it's worth it.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom. Oh, cute. You hate this.
I do. Yeah, I want to talk about our love light.